Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Judy, aka the Black Vegan Queen, and welcome back to Judy's Natural Balance. So guys, my package came today, and can you guess what's in there? Well, we're about to do this opening, and we're gonna see what's in here today. And welcome back, my old subscribers. And hey, what's up to my new subscribers? I'm not in a great mood today. I started off in a great mood, but this technology, again, as I keep saying, this technology. I'm just real frustrated about a lot of things. So I was excited when I got the package, and I did my thumbnail already and everything. And I didn't open it up because the package actually came, I think, Wednesday, Thursday. So I said today that I was going to open it up, and I really actually should have went on and opened it up the other day when I was so excited. But I am excited. So I'm hoping that this is going to work, because if it doesn't, then this will probably be the last video that I will be doing. So let's keep our fingers crossed. So I am not going to play no music. I'm just going to keep this 100 where it is. I'm not going to do no background. Muting out the background or anything of that sort. Because I'm not in the mood. I'm in a shitty mood. That's the mood I'm in. That's why I'm glad that I can you guys see? I need a box cutter. So, can anybody guess what it is? Comment below. Comment below. Comment below. Anybody can guess what is inside? Can you guys see? Well, I'm not going to move it around. Oops, I'm not going to move it around anymore. I can tell you that. Because, okay. Can you guess what this is? Alright, got another part. So I'm going to take out the part, and then here's the part here. Can you guess what it is now? So what I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to get back with you. Leave it a mystery, okay? So I'm going to get back with you. I'm going to unbox the rest of this, and then we'll see. So comment below what you think it might be. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl. So I'm back, and surprise, this is what was in the box. Yes, I got my desktop my desktop computer, and I'm so excited, you guys, so excited. It is by Dell. Can you see it? Dell, yeah. Yes, I'm so excited for my setup. Yeah, so excited. Yeah. Yes. So I will be set up now for technology-wise, because I had to upgrade. And yeah, so I'll be bringing it. And peace out.